Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Boy, what a day, and what a change from the early morning low temperature. Look at this. In fact, take a look at Taunton, 35 degrees, and then look at the temperature recovery this afternoon. Some areas warming up 40 degrees from the early morning low to the afternoon high. So it was like two seasons today. But a beautiful Friday, and this warming trend will continue right through the weekend. Saturday and Sunday will feature at least inland areas. Looking at temperatures that'll be easily in the lower 80s. So here's what we're tracking. Pleasant weather for tonight, your Friday night. It's cool, but not as cold as what we've had over the last couple of nights. And yeah, we're back to summer, Saturday into Monday. Ironically, Monday's the first day of autumn. It'll feel like summer. Temps in the 80s all 3 of those days. Don't see a lot of storms or rain. I mean, the next chance for any precipitation, it would just be some scattered showers. Not until Monday night with the approach of a cold front, and then probably ending early on Tuesday morning. That would be about it. In the meantime, we'll take a look at the satellite and radar composites. Skies are clear across New England. High pressure in control and just kind of keeping things quiet here. It'll head out of the open Atlantic to what is now Category 1 Hurricane Jerry. It was a Cat 2 storm yesterday. The winds have come down a bit. Winds of 80 miles per hour moving west-northwest. And the forecast thinking from the National Hurricane Center really hasn't changed over the last several days. Still anticipating that recurvature back into the central and then northern part of the Atlantic by the middle of next week. That would take it well away from the U.S. mainland. I mean, obviously, of course, still worth watching. It's several days out. But that forecast track would be encouraging. However, out in Bermuda, unfortunately, you have to watch the storm closely over the next several days. And there it is, the forecast track in respect to the east coast of the United States. And that would be, those last few images of the storm would be towards the middle of next week. Look at these high temps today. Nice. In fact, 2/3 of the country running mild to warm. And we're looking at temperatures in the middle of the country, upper 80s to even lower 90s. We're not forecasting 90 around here, but we will be on the warm side. So here are the temperatures by 6, 7 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. I mean, it's cool, but nothing like the chill we've had the last couple of early mornings. Look at this recovery in the afternoon. And you see that inland areas are going to be in the lower to middle 80s, somewhere in that like 80 to 84 range. See a little bit of green right along the south shore of the sea breeze, enough of that to keep temperatures very nice, pleasant at the beaches in the lower 70s. And then by 7 o'clock Saturday evening, you're going out. I mean, this is just nice. These temperatures are pleasant. It's comfortably mild at 7 o'clock in the evening with readings in the lower 70s. So for your Saturday morning, looking at sunshine and milder temperatures, starting off, 50s at sunrise and then rising through the upper 60s, 70s to eventually lower 80s during the afternoon. So looking pretty good on your Saturday. 6 o'clock in the evening will slip back to about 75 degrees. Beach is not bad. The only thing to be mindful of, even though the high surf advisory has expired, there may be some lingering rough surf at the beaches on Saturday. At least a moderate risk of rip current, so swim with caution. Lifeguards are not on duty anymore. It's off season. But air temperature nice. Water temperature is mild in the upper 60s. And the surf, it's up there a little bit, 5 to 7 feet. Safe sun time coming in at 20 minutes. All right, 7-day forecast. Calling for the warm temps on Sunday as well. Looking at readings that should be in the lower 80s. I mean, the Patriots game last week in Miami was warm. And in Foxborough on Sunday, it'll be warm. Won't be that high humidity like Miami, but it'll be a warm game at kickoff at 1 o'clock. Tailgating in the morning. Real nice. So beautiful day. And on the first day of autumn, at least a calendar version of autumn, whoop, goodbye summer, hello autumn. And it'll feel more like summer on Monday, temperature at 83. It'll be more seasonable by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So that is your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. Have a good weekend. We'll talk to you soon.